want to find winning products to sell on Amazon before anyone else. We're creating these videos on a monthly basis, and for this month, I'm gonna walk you through 4 of the top emerging product categories that are popular on Amazon UAE and Saudi Arabia right now. Grab your coffee or any drink and let's get started. We're not talking in this video about fad products, seasonal products, and not even evergreen everyday products. We're focusing on the categories and products that have seen a significant demand and sustainable somewhat in the last period. All of this is backed by buyer behavior as well as data pointed out by tools like Helium 10. So if you want to be a smart seller, listen up and let's get started with category number 1. Home organization and storage. Yes. So why is this emerging? Well, it's not recently emerging. I believe that data shows since 2020, this has become an extremely popular niche worldwide. People are obsessed with organizing their products. But not only that, also we find because of the way that people live in both the UAE, primarily in busy cities like Dubai, as well as in Saudi Arabia, as well like in busy cities like Riyadh, with people moving a lot and living in smaller spaces like studio apartments or one-bedroom apartments. This is very necessary and an essential part of organizing your space. And you can check keywords like kitchen organizer, drawer organizer are getting a lot of search results and a big search volume on marketplaces like Amazon UAE. Examples in this category would be collapsible baskets, underbed organizers, or even general storage for bathrooms and kitchens as well. A small tip: how about you bundle these products with maybe easy to follow manual instructions or even labels, just something small to make your product stand out. Now, category number 1 was a simple one. But before I move on and talk about category number 2 or niche number 2, which is something that I really like, let me introduce myself. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society. In Sellers Society, we are a certified Amazon service provider, and since 2019, we've assisted sellers onboard onto the Amazon platform, primarily in the Middle East. So if you need help and support with finding the right product to sell or even starting your journey on Amazon, make sure that you reach out to me and the team, book a call with us to learn a little bit more about our programs, all of the information, and you can only contact us, by the way, through our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You can also find the website linked in the description box of this video. Like I said, number 2, one of my favorites, clean beauty products. Beauty products generally in the Middle East have a lot of demand, but focusing on these, statements like clean, vegan can also give you a very, very big, there's a lot of demand, so it can give you like a little bit of an edge. So why is it emerging? Well, Gen Zs, millennials are looking for products that have labels such as cruelty-free, vegan, halal, and other certificates. So you want to provide them those types of products which fall under the clean beauty category. Globally as well, clean beauty, maybe even Korean beauty, is very popular, and it's now becoming localized as well in the GCC. And we also see that there's a surge in search volume for elements and keywords such as cruelty-free, vegan, as well as halal products, whether that be beauty products or even fragrances. Examples of products that you can sell would be natural deodorants, as well as floral, maybe natural, alcohol-free fragrances. Certainly, this is not an easy category to get into because beauty products in general are quite difficult to manufacture as a private label seller. And also, they do require additional documentation and approval for you to import them into the countries where you intend to sell, as well as sell them on Amazon. So be careful with that. Do your due diligence and your homework. But this is certainly a great category to get into. And number 3, functional fitness and recovery tools. Why is this category or niche emerging? Well, there is a huge increase in health awareness, specifically in GCC and specifically in both the UAE as well as KSA. The population tends to be very young, and when you're young, you want to look good as well and you want to take care of your health for sure. Because of lack of time, people are investing it at home options to exercise. A lot of people live in buildings that have gyms, that's specifically in the UAE. However, still, there's no time. We live in a very fast-paced environment, so having options to just do functional fitness and exercise at home is certainly something that people are looking have been looking for a very long time, I believe, but we see demand for it rising right now. Also, the heat doesn't help, specifically in summer. Everyone wants to stay indoors. You rarely want to go outdoors in the heat. So exercising at home or even in like a closed environment is also something that people are looking for. And nowadays we see people, because of lots of influencers online, looking at functional fitness, posture correctors, things that would be used pre-exercise to just become like flexible or something, and post-exercise to recover. So mobility is the name of the game, and that's the niche that we're looking for in this instance. So what would be the examples? Massage ball, foam rollers, and even portable resistance bands that I see a lot of people use in the gym to just warm up. So those are the types of products that we're talking about in this niche. A small tip would be to focus on compact and portable products. So that could be like a little bit of a highlight for the product, as well easy beginner-friendly products as well. Now, if you still have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? We've got some incredible videos lined up all till the end of this year. Make sure that you click the subscribe button, like this video, because it helps people find it and helps other people grow their business as well. And make sure that you leave me a comment or a question in the comment section below. It helps me understand a little bit more of any issue that you're facing and what type of content you're looking for as well. And last but certainly not least, specifically for our region, Arabic language learning and educational toys. I'm sure you probably weren't expecting this type of a niche or this type of a category. Now, why is it emerging? Quite simply, parents in both the UAE and Saudi Arabia and the rest of the GCC are looking for toys and educational activity type of products to assist their kids, I was gonna say customers, their kids to become bilingual. So we see a surge in STEM plus Arabic educational toys, because this is something both cultural and relevant to the market. The educational niche anyways is evergreen. However, the Arabic segment in the educational niche is also less competitive than other languages. Examples would be flashcards or even educational entertainment Arabic toys, or even educational entertaining Arabic books. Again, you need to be careful with this niche, because certainly selling things like books on Amazon in the Middle East is not easy based on the requirements of Amazon. So make sure you do your due diligence before you get and dive into this category, but it's certainly a great and interesting and emerging and, let's face it, super fun category. Now, these were just some niches or categories, but do remember on Amazon, success is not only about selecting a right product, but also how you position and you sell the product on a marketplace like Amazon. So things like a perfect page, optimized title, main images, all of that make it very important for you to also succeed on the platform. If you've watched the video till now, thank you so much for your support. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.